The reasons I love working at Performance Lexus mostly revolve around the guests that I get to build relationships with, but also the people that work here. We try to be a dealership that innovates the way that we serve our guests and create an atmosphere that makes them feel at home, whether they're visiting us in person or online. But there's also something else I love.
Break it down.
This is the limited production RCF Track Edition, one of few in Canada and the only blacked out version in all of North America. After what we did last year with the custom LC500, Lexus Canada gave us a call and said if anybody is to have this vehicle, it's Performance Lexus. Lexus took a sports car that you could drive every day and turned it to a full-out track car. Featuring Lexus' most powerful V8 they've ever produced, it now has an even faster 0 to 60 time of 3.96 seconds and shorter gears, giving it that explosive acceleration. However, on the inside, it's still a Lexus, with beautifully crafted Alcantara seats, red strands woven into the carbon fiber to match the interior, and it even has amenities like Apple CarPlay, a 10.3-inch display, and a Mark Levinston sound system. So you're probably asking, why did Lexus build the RCF Track Edition? I mean, this is a brand that built their reputation on plush interiors and amazing ride quality. So why build such a raw track car for the streets? Lexus wanted to give the brand a personality, something that added excitement and embodied the idea that the ultimate Lexus should connect with its owner. And that owner could be you.